सो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में कुछ स्टेटमेंट देखी थी, राइट, लाइक ए प्लस इंटू सी, राइट, माइनस डी, देन ई माइनस एफ, लाइक दिस। ओके, कुछ ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स हमने देखा था। फिर हमने स्टैक देन हमने टेबल देखा था, स्टैक इनपुट एंड आउटपुट, राइट। सो हम लोग एंड आउटपुट, राइट। ये कुछ एग्जांपल हमने इनफिक्स एंड प्रीफिक्स के हमने सॉल्व किए थे, लाइक स्टैक इनपुट आउटपुट। स्टैक में हम लोगों ने वैल्यू पुट की थी, लाइक लेट्स टेक टेबल फर्स्ट। ओके, तो ऐसा कुछ हम लोगों ने एग्जांपल। ओके, सो हम लोगों ने स्टैक फर्स्ट लिया था, देन इनपुट, देन आउटपुट। आई होप कि आप लोगों को याद होगा वो, which we have studied, right, which have been studied. So stack में हम लोगों ने एक्सप्रेशन, मतलब stack में ऑलवेज स्टार्टिंग में एम्प्टी, बिकॉज ऑपरेटर हमें पुट करना होता है। so हम लोगों ने ऑपरेटर्स स्टैक में पुट किया था, ऑपरेंट आउटपुट में एंड एक्सप्रेशन इनपुट में, और हमने इनफिक्स टू प्रोफिक्स कन्वर्ट किया था, राइट। सो ये एक एक्सप्रेशन ट्री जो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में स्टडी किया था, राइट। सो आज हम लोग चेक करने वाले हैं ना। सो ये एक्सप्रेशन किसी ने मिस किया तो गो एंड चेक माय प्रीवियस वन लेक्चर, देन यू विल गेट। ओके, बाइनरी सर्च ट्री। सो आज हम लोग देखने वाले BST, बाइनरी सर्च ट्री। ओके, सो बाइनरी सर्च ट्री। सो यहाँ पे first let's draw the first diagram. Okay, here let's draw the diagram first. So यहाँ पे for binary search tree we require, then we can put node with value k. Okay, node with value k. Then let's take the another this we require this triangle here. Okay, so यहाँ पे होगा left subtree. This is left subtree. Okay, subtree, left subtree, and let's take again this. This is right subtree, right subtree, right. So left subtree and right subtree. Then this is the diagram of your BST. Okay, so यहाँ पे this is the diagram of your BST. So binary search tree, that is BST, is a tree in which all the nodes follow the below means properties. The left subtree, this is the left subtree, right. So the left subtree of a node has a key less than or equal to its parent node's key. So less than and equal to all means the left subtree of a node has key which is less than or equal to its parent's node's key, means contains only smaller value. So it it contain only the smallest value. Okay, contain only smaller value. Just 1 minute. Smaller value. Okay, so see, so this is a left subtree contain only the smaller value. So okay, so here, okay, so let's increase this one also, because we have to put in this also some content, right? So it also take 10, then okay. So here, the left subtree of node has a key less than or equal to its parent node. The right subtree, so next, the right subtree of node has key greater than to its parent node. So यहाँ पे जो parent node से है ये smaller होगा, और यहाँ पे जो content होगा node. Okay, so let's see. Okay, जो content node होगा, content node only contains only smaller value and contains only smaller value. Okay, so both is contain smaller value here. Okay, so like that, like this only we have to put here, so which is there in your diagram. Okay, okay, so here you have to, okay, so the left subtree of node has a key less than or equal to its parent node's key. The right subtree of a node has a key greater than its parent node's key. Both the left and right subtree must also be binary search tree. So binary search tree is a binary tree. So दोनों भी ये must होनी चाहिए, मतलब होनी चाहिए binary search tree, right? So here, both left tree and right tree must also be binary search tree. Binary search tree (BST) is a binary tree in which every node contains only smaller value in left subtree and only large value is right subtree, right? So figures indicate that all values is less than or equal to, here all value less than or equal to k, and here, and in this, in below second, all value is less than k. Okay, so all value is greater than k or equal to, and all values less than k. So here the left subtree of node has a key less than or equal to its parent's node. So जो left subtree की जो node has key है, जो less than or equal to होनी चाहिए parent's node, and the right subtree of a node has a key is greater than to the parent's node. So ये all मतलब parent node से all value ये greater होनी चाहिए, और ये less than or equal to होना चाहिए इस parent's node से. Okay. So show the periodical representation of VST. So यहाँ पे example है, जैसे कि you can take the, like, through a tree, suppose. Okay, then suppose 27. Okay, then take another, that is 14. Okay, then another one. This is your 3. Sorry, we don't want this mismatch. We don't want. Then next is 35. Okay, so this is your diagram. Then below this we require next, that is 10, then next 19. Okay, then 19, then 31, and then 31, 31, and next is 42. Okay, next is 42. So let's do the connection here. So you know very well, हमने tree already previous lecture में देखा है कि what is the meaning of tree, how to connection, what is the sibling, child and all, right? So no need to explain here again the connection, child and all, right? So 1 minute. Next. Okay, then. Okay. If you want, you can give this. Then just cut it. Okay. So this is your example of tree. Okay. So this is your example. Okay. So we observe that the root node key is 27, has all less value key on the left subtree and the high value key on the right subtree. So देखिए जैसे कि अभी हम लोगों ने जैसे कि हमने एग्जांपल देखा है कि अभी आपको वो जो अभी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे बीएसटी वो आपको क्लियर कट हो जाएगा ये डायग्राम ओके कंटेंट स्मॉलर वैल्यू देन ये लेस देन है और ये ग्रेटर देन है जैसे कि हम लोगों ने ये कंडीशन वी हैव टू प्रूव सो फर्स्ट लिसन अगेन व्हाट binary that is a BST is a tree in which all the nodes follow or below properties like the left subtree of node has a key less than or equal to its parents node मतलब जो parents node होगा मतलब जो root होगा उससे वो equal less होना चाहिए okay और equal होना चाहिए but both the left and the right subtree of the nodes has key is greater than or greater than to its parent nodes key. Both the left and right subtree must also binary search tree. So यहाँ पे जो example देखा सी यहाँ पे ये जो ये parent है root है okay यहाँ पे आप जो value देख सकते हैं ये left side में that is the all value is less than or equal to its parent node that is k is the parent या root you can say so see all the value ये क्या है इससे लेस है और लेस है ओके और यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा ऑल द वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन तो यहाँ पे जितनी भी वैल्यू है राइट साइड में ओके इस पेरेंट नोड से ये ग्रेटर है सो दिस इज अबाउट योर बीएसटी मतलब बीएसटी में और कुछ नहीं इसमें ये कि राइट साइड में मतलब जो भी वैल्यू होगी लेफ्ट साइड में वो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू पेरेंट नोड होनी चाहिए मतलब ग्रेटर होनी चाहिए रूट से लेस होनी चाहिए और इक्वल होनी चाहिए और इन द राइट हैंड साइड वो ऑलवेज बी greater okay so this is about your BST okay so BST में operation है कुछ let's see the operation of BST operation of BST that is binary search tree okay so यहाँ पे finding an element in binary search tree so यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है first is finding first one is finding element finding an element finding an element in binary tree binary search tree finding in your binary search tree I will write now like BST okay binary search tree okay so this is the first operation so क्या करना है हमें binary search tree में finding element करना okay and finding an element in binary search tree then finding minimum element finding minimum elements okay finding minimum elements in binary search tree Okay, binary search 3. So this is second operation. Then third one is finding maximum element. Finding maximum elements. Finding maximum elements in binary search tree. Okay, in binary search tree. Then fourth operation is inserting an element from binary search tree. Inserting element inserting element in binary search tree. Then fifth one, deleting elements in binary सर्च ट्री. सो यहाँ पे कुछ ऑपरेशन है, जैसे कि पहले हमें फाइंड करना है to finding an element in binary search tree. Okay, so binary search tree is like this is a binary search tree BST, right? So first operation is finding it. To search a given binary tree, we first compare it with root. If the key is present at root, we return root. If the key is greater than root's key, we require for right subtree of root node. Otherwise we require for left subtree. So हमें यहाँ पे like जैसे कि अभी मैंने आपको finding an element in binary search tree, so we have to find the element in this root, right? Like 14 and 10. Then finding maximum element. So BST maximum element is rightmost node which does not have right child. So यहाँ पे maximum elements you can see here, right? Then finding a maximum element in BST, then finding a minimum element. So here we can find the element, finding an element in binary tree. So these are the element here values of the binary search tree. So we have to find minimum elements, this like this, and maximum from right side. Okay, then inserting elements. So when looking for a place to insert a new key, we traverse the tree from root to leaf, making compared to key store in the nodes of the tree and detecting based on the comparisons to continue searching in the left or right subtree. In other words, we maximize the root and recursive insert the new node to left subtree. If its key less than that of root, or right subtree if its key is greater than or equal to that of root. Okay, so you can say that 15 16. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमने inserting में कहा हम we have to take this one example, then you will get. Okay, so let's take again here. Okay, that is 15. Okay, then let's take again. First let's make the draw this. We require new page. Okay, then we require again circle, right? Then we require again circle here, again. Then let me make this draw this diagram, then we will discuss. Okay, so here. Okay, so fundamental algorithm mostly आप लोगों को ये बेस है based on the tree only कि how to make tree, the क्या define करता है tree, this all. Okay, so okay, so put here value like 8, then let's put the value, then we will do connection. Okay, 12, then 16, this. Okay, then 8. Oh, just 1 minute. Then 18, then 25, then 19, then 30. Okay, so let's give the connection first. Okay, this, then again we require want this, then this both comes under the of parents 10, then this one. Okay, so next is 8. 18 is the parents of 19, that is 19 is the child of 18, then this. Okay, ये remain as it is रहेगा. So यहाँ पे क्या है, let's discuss. Okay, let's complete this. So ये one type of tree. Okay, so जैसे कि हमने कहा that okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हमने डिस्कस किया इन inserting element in binary search tree. When looking for place in to insert a new key, we travels the tree from root to leaf, making so in other words we examine the root and insert a new node to left subtree. So we can insert this new node, right? Inserting of tree. So suppose in new node जो we have to examine, then we can add it. So in other word, we examine root and then recursive insert a new node or to the left subtree. If it is key is less than that root the or right subtree its key greater than, means अगर suppose see root is 15 है, so हमें यहाँ पे less than value put करनी है. तो फिर अगर ये 16 ये less than नहीं है, so it will be convert in this over here. Why? Because हमें यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू प्रिंट करनी है, यहाँ पे हमें मिनिमम इन BST. सो ये राइट साइड में इंसर्ट होगा. सो इंसर्टिंग पर्पस ऐसा होता है. ओके, so then deleting, so यहाँ पे see 15 is greater than, go to the right subtree. 20 is less than 16, go to the left subtree. 18 is less than greater than 16, go to the left subtree. So 15 ये greater है, so less है, इसलिए it will 16 it will go to the right subtree. Okay, so this is about how we can insert it. Then deleting the subtree, deleting. Okay, deleting subtree. So here deleting subtree binary case deleting a leaf node. Okay, so case यहाँ पे कुछ cases है जो हमें deleting subtree में use करना है. Case 1 यहाँ पे क्या है, deleting a leaf node, a node with no children. So हमें deleting में क्या करना है, a node with no child, children. So deleting like this node. Okay, a node leaf node, deleting a leaf node. Sorry, no children, not deleting a so delete क्या करना है, केस फर्स्ट में delete a leaf node. Okay, this is the case 1. Then in case 2 delete a node with one child. delete करना है node जिसका one child. Okay, delete a node with one child. Okay, delete node with one child. Then case 3, in case 3 delete a node with two child. delete a node with two child. So यहाँ पे we will do here only in this diagram. Okay, suppose यहाँ पे what we will do here, suppose हम लोग को delete करनी है node. Okay, so यहाँ पे we will take this, we have to follow this 3 case. Case 1 deleting subtree. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, 3 case में फर्स्ट केस इज डिलीट अ लीफ नोड. सो अब यहाँ पे जो लीफ नोड है वो हमें डिलीट करना. ओके, सो सपोज यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने डिलीट किया दिस वन, दिस इज अ लीफ, राइट. 8 9 दिस इज अ लीफ नोड. यू कैन से सपोज वी कंटिन्यू, डोंट फॉरगेट इट कि कौन सा ग्रेटर है. जस्ट वी आर, दिस इज सपोज ये एक हमारा डायग्राम है. ओके, सो हमें अब डिलीटिंग सब ट्री अप्लाई करना है. सो ये ऑल आर लीफ नोड. ओके, सो डिलीट अ लीफ नोड. सो हमने सपोज यहाँ का लीफ नोड हमें डिलीट करना है. इसमें जो केस है वो हमें अप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो ये जो भी केसेस है वो हम लोग जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई. सो वी delete it, what, the leaf node. Okay, then second case is delete a node with one child. So jiska one child is, suppose is having one child, this one only, and so we have to delete this one. Okay, and so suppose it having one child, so we have to delete, yeah, delete a case in one child. So 25 having one child, so we can delete it, right? Now third is that delete a node with two child. So जिसकी two child से there this we have to delete. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या delete होगा, जिसका two child है, मतलब this having two child. Okay, so it will be deleted. Okay, so we have to, जिसकी two child से that we have to delete it. Okay, delete a node with one child. So suppose 9 18 का one child है, then it will be delete. Okay, 18 having suppose one child, so it will be delete. It's having two child, so it will ये delete हो गया. एंड डिलीट अ लिफ नोड. सो हमने यहाँ के लिफ नोड किया. सो डिलीटिंग में ये केसेस है जो हम लोगों को अप्लाई करना है इधर, राइट? सो द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, सो नोट टू बी डिलीट ओनली वन चाइल्ड, कॉपी द चाइल्ड एंड नोट टू द डिलीट जो हम लोगों ने भी किया. Then node to be deleted has two children. Find in order successor of the node. Copy the content of the in order successor to the end to the node and delete the in order successor. Note that in order processor can also be used. Then the important thing to the node is in order successor is needed only when right child is not empty. In this particular case, in-order successor can be obtained by finding the minimum value in right child of node. Okay, so ये just concept थी deleting की, जो भी हम देखा कि जिसका सब two child से वो node उस node को या parents को we have to delete. जिसकी right one node है, one child is का हमने delete किया. Then you can see here, right? See here. I hope you understood. See here. अभी हम लोगों ने leaf node delete किया. So delete a leaf node. So we delete this, right? We delete it. So हमने ये delete किया. Okay, leaf node का जैसे according to, फिर बाद में then delete node with one child. जिसका one child है, we have to delete this node. So we have can delete one child. Okay. So suppose it's having one child, we can delete it, right? It's having one child. So directly delete this. Then delete a node with two child. So 10's having two childs, then we can delete it, right? So यहाँ पे इसका one child का हमने delete किया, और यहाँ पे 10 का two child से then हमने वो delete किया. So this is about your delete subtree. Okay, and we have seen this all operation, finding element, then minimum element, finding maximum element, inserting element कैसे हमने insert किया, then deleting elements, and value कैसे equal and less than है हमने यहाँ पे check किया, right? And then binary search tree, ये binary search tree था. Okay, और previous I have given one example. I hope कि आप लोगों को example समझा होगा, and give me when you will solve this. Okay, so this is about BST. So in next lecture we will see binary search trees, balanced binary search tree. So उसमें कुछ high balance tree है, right? So वो हम लोग check करेंगे. Then AVL, Edelson, Wilsky and Landis tree कुछ points से वो भी हम लोग देखेंगे. Okay, so then single relation, then single right rotation, डबल रोटेशन, कुछ टाइप से जो हम लोग इन नेक्स्ट ट्री में देखेंगे. सो कुछ इस पॉइंट्स के बाद हमारा 1 यूनिट ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, ऑलमोस्ट नॉट कंप्लीट ही हो जाएगा. ओके, सो ओके, सो टुडे सेशन ओवर हियर. थैंक यू. सो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में
ओके, कोणाला प्रॉब्लेम लेक्चर आजच्या लेक्चरचा?
यस, भूषण, फैजान, ऋतुजा, सिद्धेश, प्रसाद.
नो मैम नो.
ओके ठीक है,
No,
लेक्चर
ma'am.
हाँ लेक्चर मीटिंग एंड करते बरं.